So hello guys, welcome back to my channel World of Susma, and today we are going to start a new series related Power BI data analytics. If you are the beginner, a fresher, student, want to switch your career or want to start your new career in IT or as a data analytics, or if you are anyone housewife who can start learning Power BI and you can grow in your career as well. So guys, if you are thinking to learn new skills and that's how you can grow, then you are at the right place. I'm going to start a new series related Power BI that will be very helpful in your journey and in your career. Yeah, guys, I'm also working for my career. I'm also learning, and while learning I thought that if I practice and if I share while practicing or help anyhow people who are interested and try to gain knowledge, learn new skills, then it will be very helpful to them. So I started making or creating videos related, and I have already shared my Excel videos, guys, if you are interested to learn, because somewhere it will be helpful for your journey as well. So while learning Excel, just keep learning Power BI. Today I'm going to start from scratch. If you are the beginner, no worries, from zero you are going to be hero. So just keep learning with me. Let's get started without delay, guys. Our first question is that before starting Power BI, it will be in your mind that what is Power BI and why we should learn, why we should practice, and what is data analytics. I keep speaking in my all videos. Hey guys, here you are thinking, I know it is in your mind that what is Power BI. Its full form of Power BI is Power Business Intelligence. So in Power BI we have to be data analytics. By learning we will be going to prepare ourselves being to be a data analytics. Yeah, and of course it is in your mind that what is data analytics right now, right? So data analytics related Power BI, if you are going to grow in your career and going to join any company, then you must have to have some skills with you. And if you are going to learn some skills, then you must have to learn Excel, Power BI, SQL, Python, and with AI. Okay, and there are so many right now. Fabric is also coming, but you must have to focus on Power BI. This is the most important business intelligence tool. People keep learning, and by using it you can create different kind of dashboards that will be very helpful in for any industry, that you can create meaningful insight. Like if you have a shop in local, okay, if you have any kind of shop, veg shop, coffee shop, or any kind of shop, and you have invested some money, and day by day you are selling the groceries or whatever you are selling on your shop. So year over year or day by day, what you are gaining, what you are selling, what you are the cost price, selling price, how will you benefit in one single dashboard. By using formulas, by using Power BI, you can get a meaningful insight that people, by clicking one area, they will get all the information that where we should work, where they are getting benefited, where year over year you will get all the information by creating dashboards. So we must have to create a dashboard being a data. So guys, what I have told you, that if you any shop, if you have, or in your nearby there is a shop, they are working, they are whatever they are investing on daily basis or on year basis, the data we will collect the data in written, okay, in a hard copy or in a soft copy. When we get all the information in written, that is called data. And I think you have already information about, if you know about computer, that what is called data in written, what the information for any company or for any local or anything. We are going to make a documentary or a written form, that is called data. And we are going to be a data analytics. So what is the work of data analytics? By learning Power BI, you are going to be a data analytics and you can join any company. So what is data analytics? By getting any information, that kind of information is called data. And on that data, after getting that data, that information, if you are going to clean that, means correct where it is unstructured, or I will make all the videos. This is the introduction videos. For that, next video we will start, and you will start creating dashboards. What will the process from scratch? You will learn all the things to advanced level. I will create. Okay, so don't be panic. In our first video, we are going to just have an introduction, that what is called data analytics, what is Power BI, and what is the work of data analytics. After getting on for information like data, you must have to analytics work by getting any kind of tool like Power BI tool and Power Query tool. We have to just work on that data to by applying any kind of formula. Okay, that is called DAX. We can get more information, that on which area if I work, then I get benefited, on which area people are on which day they are taking more money, on which day they are in less. So for any kind of information, we create dashboards after analytics work, after analysis. So we must have to play with data. Okay, and how will play, you will learn. That you are not going to do by yourself. I will teach you that how you will play with data, and playing with data is called data analytics work. Okay, and for playing with data, you must have to be tool, one toys that you will play, that is called Power BI tool. Okay, so you must have to learn Power BI tool to play with data. And in our next video, we will start to use of how we can use Power BI tools, and each and everything you are going to learn, guys. So don't be panic, just stay with me and keep learning, keep signing. Thank you, bye bye, see you in my next video.